Hello, YouTube. So the end of the line is coming for the Altima. I plan on getting rid of her soon. But I was curious, if I brought her in today, how much would Carmax, everyone's favorite used car center, would offer us for my 13 Altima SL? She's dirty, I know. I've had to drive her on a dirt road constantly to get to my apartment. But I thought, bring it in the way it is. How much would Carmax offer me for it? Again, if you watch the past videos, she's had a hard life. We all know that. She's been fixed pretty good. I mean, the only real blemishes are the faded paint right here and the bubbling. Let me kind of wipe this out so you guys can see this, because they're going to see it anyway. The bubbling rust right there. And then a little bit of faded paint on this door too. You can see that. But I'm like, the way she's sitting right now with the aftermarket rims, it's about $1,000 set right there. The aftermarket head unit with Apple CarPlay and the muffler delete. Keep it the same way. I'm not gonna fix it or do anything for them. I'm just gonna bring it in and see what they offer me for it. So they're right around the corner back there. I didn't want to do this in there a lot because they approach you right away. It's a weird one. It's like a dealership almost. It is a Toyota dealership, so the second you pull in, they attack you. But yeah, I'm gonna go take her in. She has 191,600 miles right now. She starts up, no lights on the dash. She runs fine. Everything works. 191,700 miles. She starts up fine. No lights on the dash. Let the thing do its thing. Let's close this door. Yeah, no lights on the dash. Head unit. Interior's in pretty good condition. See, you could use a wipe down. I don't think that's gonna adjust it. All right, make them change the value of the car. But yeah, so I'm gonna go bring it in. Down the block right there, and when I come back to this area, we'll have an appraisal. And just like that, an hour and some later, we're back with an appraisal offer. So let's go into the car and go over their appraisal offer. It took about 30 minutes. They took it for a drive. They did all their fun stuff with it. But let me see. I kind of want to blur out my info on it. Oh yes. Okay. We got offered $1,500. Now skip all of this random. I was doing numbers in the corner. We got offered $1,500. So they go over all the features I guess the car has. I have literally every feature possible, everything checked off when you bought the car. All the nice stuff. I have 191,000 miles, like I said, it's 2013. But we go over here, where the conditions they assessed. So, let us go over them. Wheels, aftermarket. Passenger fender, the car's been, I told you, the car's been in a couple car accidents. Prior paint work. Passenger front door, they put rusted because of that small little rust spot. Apron, repaired. I don't know what the apron is, but apparently that's been repaired. Front seats, good condition. Carpet, good condition. Engine, good condition. Rear tires, good condition. Hood, not original. Driver front door, dings. I don't know what they're talking about. I don't have any dings in my front door. Frame, prior repair. I don't know what they're talking about. I don't know. Undercarriage damaged. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about, undercarriage damage. When I asked them, the lady pointed at the under engine splash shield, that $50 piece of plastic. And well, that's scratched up. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Every fucking sedan has that all scratched up. But anyway, rear seats good condition, transmission good condition, front tires good condition. So I got offered $1,500 for my Altima. And they said right here, no offer change with stock exhaust and wheels. Of course, I'm gonna take the wheels off and put them on a different car. But you know, I spent $1,000 on those wheels. So they're not gonna get them. But the muffler, I'm not gonna spend money throwing my old mufflers back on then, especially since I only did a muffler delete. I actually don't have aftermarket mufflers on it. So, do I think it's fair? Not really, no. I mean, other than that, the car's in good condition. Now, for them to offer $1,500, I kind of expected to get an offer between $1,500 and like $3,000 tops on the car from a place like that. Private party, I could probably sell this car for $4,000 or $5,000 all day. Probably a little bit more if I can try to, you know, squeeze the guy out, because it drives great other than the high miles, and they're all highway miles. So I could probably try to squeeze somebody to give me a little bit more money for it. Private party, but especially with all the mods and everything done on it, it's a solid car. But yeah, they offered me, all holy appraisal people of Carmax, $1,500. Yeah, I don't know. I was kind of expecting a little bit more, tiny bit more, but of course I'm not going to sell it to Carmax. They can kiss my ass. None of their appraisal methods make any sense, because I took this car to them a year ago and it had 152,000 miles for an appraisal, because I was actually looking at trading it in at the time for a car I saw that I really liked. At that time, they also offered me $1,500. And I thought maybe with the car values going up, they'd offer me more. I guess maybe it kind of did. I don't know. But they still offered me $1,500 again. So, kind of a insanely low offer. Because I know if they take this car to auction, which they're going to do, they're going to go sell it at auction, they're probably going to get, you know, 3 to 4 for it. You got to remember, it's still a newer car. You know, I saw cars going for $2,000-$3,000 at auction that were 2005, 2006 is like the Scion, right? You can't go tell me that you would only give me, they'd only get $2-3 for this at auction. They're bullshitting. They're gonna at least double, if not triple, what they got it for. There's still money to be made on this car. You know, even if they sold it for $3,000 and doubled their money, whoever buys it's gonna go right ahead and flip it for, you know, $4,999. I can see it being sitting on a lot the way it's sitting. $4,999. Let's go. But yeah, so subscribe. I'm gonna take the Scion in a couple weeks over to Carmax. See what they offer me for the Scion. See if I can come up on that car. Hopefully I can. I mean, the car's all good now. I'll do an update video on it. I did a little work on it, but if you want to see that stuff, you're gonna have to subscribe. So why not just subscribe? Like, make all of our lives a little easier, you know? But yeah, thanks for watching.